It is time. It's time for the lightning round. Put us up. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Mark in Colorado. Mark.
Hey, Mr. Cramer. How are you today?
I'm doing fine, Mark. How about you?
Great. Happy holidays.
Same.
I've got a question real quick. Given the need for the incredible usage of storage, what is your opinion on IRM, Iron Mountain?
Oh, my writing partner, Matt Horwey, and I often talk about how great this stock is. Even with a 4% yield, I still recommend that stock. And I've been behind that one for ages. Don in Texas. Don.
Cramer, booyah. Happy holidays to you and your family.
Oh, thank you. Same to you, sir. What's up?
I was just calling to ask about Q2 Holdings.
Virtual banking. I like the idea. The stock has moved too much, too high for me. How about we go to Dave in Virginia? Dave.
United States Navy, booyah to you, Jimbo.
Oh, thank you for serving, booyah.
Club member.
Yes.
Definitely would love to know about the buy or sell on AMC.
Well, listen to Bob Iger talk about the movies, and it's just not the same, and I don't want to be therefore involved with the movie theaters. Hey, Bob's got some serious challenge here from Nelson Peltz. It's going to be interesting, but all I'll tell you is that Disney got a big dividend today, and that stock is one of my absolute favorites in the Travelers Trust. Let's go to Alan in Florida. Alan.
Booyah to you, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah. The Chillman is in the house. How can I help?
Hey, man, most importantly, big thanks for the Investor Club because it creates a level playing field for us little guys.
That is the plan. People have to know it's about education. It's about teaching. I knock my brains out every day to teach you, and thank you for the kind recognition. How can I help you?
No, thank you. Hey, listen, today, Bill Gates' nuclear energy company, TerraPower, they announced an MOU with your little spec play you gave out, UEC, whose management company says their all-in cost to produce domestic uranium, just $40 a pound. They already have the infrastructure built. They start production next summer. TerraPower has officially stated their preference is for domestic uranium, and UEC has by far the biggest.
Well, that's why I like UEC. I blessed that one for. I'm putting together a list of under 10 speculations. I may have to keep it to myself right now, but I think the UEC is a winner. Because I also believe, as I said the other day when I said by Southern, that great utility, nuclear is for me. Let's go to Noel in Florida. Noel.
Hi, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Oh, thank you, Noel. Let's go to work.
Okay, my husband and I would really like your thoughts on Joby Aviation.
No, I still insist that there be some hope that a company make money. I don't see one for the Job. Let's go to Ryan in Virginia. Ryan.
Hoo-ha, Jim. It's Ryan McKay from Falls Church, Virginia. I'm sitting here with my 10-year-old son who loves watching your show.
I love that.
My question to you is about ticker symbol PFE, Pfizer.
I'm calling the bottom in Pfizer right now. I am calling the bottom. I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm actually saying right now that a 5% yield with Pfizer and Dr. Bourla, I cannot believe that this stock can go much lower. So I am saying, I am saying don't buy. But I am calling the bottom. Let's go to Alan in New Jersey. Alan.
Yes, Jim. Booyah, Jim.
How are you?
Happy holidays.
Thank you, same.
Hey, I wanted to ask you your opinion on American Airlines and growth potential over the next 3 years or so. It's very low right now. It's trading about 11.
Well, stock is so low. I do prefer Delta. I have to admit I'm a Delta fan over American. But that stock is low. Whoa. Let's go to William in Washington. William.
Hey, how you doing, Mr. Jim Cramer?
I'm doing well. How about you?
All right. I just wanted to check on NEO. Do you think I should hold that long term?
No, I'm not. I'm not recommending the Chinese stock market. I mean, there's always one that works and it gets everybody all excited. It's the PDD. It's the flavor of the month over there with the PRC. And I'm not a buyer. I'm not a buyer of these, the Neos. I'm not a buyer of the Babas. I mean, I gotta like be able to walk up and down the street. I mean, it's something I'm still liking to do. I still like my Christmas tree outside. It's a lot of fun. I'll be there. Let's go to Stephen in Maryland. Stephen.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. How you doing tonight?
Oh, man, I'm doing well. What's up with you?
I'm good. I'm 26 years old. I've been listening to your show since high school, so I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for me as a young investor.
Young fella. Terrific. I'm there for you. What's up?
I got a question about a company that I personally love. I see a lot of growth potential. They got an insider trading deadline coming up. What do you think about Cava?
Yeah, you got when the lock expiration is over, I think the stock goes lower. I share with you the excitement for Cava. I think it's a very good situation. I want to see what the sellers do to it. By the way, personally, because of the garlic, I have to have it with Pepto. It's much to my chagrin, but I don't mind drinking Pepto. I usually have a bottle of it next to me at all times. Let's go to Tom in Florida. Tom.
Jim, longtime club member, first-time caller.
Yes.
My question's regarding small cap renewable energy company Nextera Energy Partners, symbol NEP. Trading range 52
That one worries
weeks.
me. That one worries me, Tom. I mean, when I see a yield that's 14%, I say something is going to break there. Let's hold off of that one. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.